What's going on, YouTube? I am out here today fishing a falls that I went to a couple weeks ago to check out. There's no info online. I think it's gonna be a good day of fishing, so let's get to it. Yeah, there's nothing. Oh, I got one. That thing hit it hard. What is it? Ooh, that is a that is a nice brown trout. Nice. Okay. There he is. Let's get a good release of him. Oh, there he goes. Back to his house. We are down here at Waterfall number 2. Number 1 is just right up there. You can see it. I caught that brown trout right there. Ooh, that was a nice brown trout that just went for it. Oh my gosh, I saw it. Okay, I'm gonna do that again.
One eternity later.
What if I catch one way back there? Oh my god, that was the most perfect cast ever. I don't even know where my lure went. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a jumper. It's a jumper. It's a jumper. It's a jumper. It might be a keeper too. Don't get me tangled in the rocks. Don't get me tangled in the rocks. There we go. That is a nice rainbow trout. Goes. He is swimming down to the bottom.
Later that same evening.
Oh, there's one. Another beautiful rainbow trout. Actually, I'm not even gonna use the net for this one. I don't want the hassle. That, I think that might be a salmon. I think that might be a steelhead, guys. That might be a steelhead. Nice trout. I'm gonna say it's a salmon because those dots on the side, but maybe not. Nice trout, there he goes. Woo! Cool, guys. I caught another rainbow. Sweet. We're at the first waterfall. Didn't catch anything at this first spot. Caught a brown trout right there and some rainbow trout down the river a little more. Yeah, take a look at this. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We caught a couple fish. Make sure to subscribe if you want more fishing content and check out my other content on my channel. So have a good day.